Hey guys, I'm back again with another video. Today I'll be showing you not drumming, but how to fold a how should I say this? Fortune teller or monster thing? Yeah, that makes sense to me. So what you're gonna do first is, if you have a piece of paper like this that is not a square, then what you can do is fold it along the line, along the edge like this. So you've got a little flap here. And this may sound weird, but I fold it back. So I fold it along the edge, back behind it. So then you have another flap, and then you have a flap here. So that I fold it behind there, and this may sound weird, but you lick it and it works great. Or you could just fold it a few times back and forth and put it against the edge of the table. But I like licking it better because it's quicker. So it does sound weird, I admit, but I like it better that way. So, and then it comes right off because, you know, life. Then you have your strip right here, and then you already have the first fold done. So what you're going to do is, you see this is already folded from corner to corner this way, but what you're going to do is fold it from corner to corner the other way too. So you're going to fold it like this. You're going to fold it from corner to corner this way. Sorry, this may take a minute. And just fold along the edge and flatten it out. And then you're going to unfold it. So next step is, you have these four folds. No, not four folds. Well, you have 4 triangles. You have 2 folds folded from corner to corner. And you're going to fold each fold to the center, where you have this little center right here. So let me do that real quick and show you how it looks. So what I did was just fold it right to the center. So you're going to do that on all 4 corners, but you don't unfold it. You just keep it there. And then, this is very frustrating sometimes. So then you just fold it like that, and you have it in a neat little square. And all these flaps are here. You do not unfold it though. So what you're going to do next is flip it over to the side that does not have the flaps. You'll see these squares here. This is much easier because all you have to do is fold along the squares. So you can just fold the corners like on the other side to the middle. So the little squares there that I was talking about are kind of guidelines to show you what it is. I mean, sometimes it doesn't work out well, but it still will work in the end. It might be a little messy, but it still works. So don't get frustrated if it's not completely even. I can barely do it very even, so yeah. So then you'll have flaps on the other side, and it's even a tinier square. So what you're going to do next is flip it to the other side, do not unfold it, and you're going to fold it in half one way. You don't fold it in half along the corners, you just fold it in half down the middle. You're going to fold it in half one way, unfold it, and fold it in half the other way. Once you have that, keep it folded, and you can just put your fingers in the 4 flaps here, and put your fingers in the 4 flaps. They might be a little tight, so you can just loosen them. And it should fold down if I can get it. Oh man, that's messy. Okay, well, so obviously I am not a professional, but it will turn, oh, that's the problem. There's just a little thing that was folded in. Okay, it'll turn out like this. So it's either like a fortune teller like this. You can put on each of these flaps 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on the inside you put 1, 2, 3, 4 again. So it's pretty simple. So they'll pick a number, one of the flaps. You'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and so then I think you open it and you tell them to pick either this flap or this flap. It'll have numbers on it, and they'll pick one of the flaps, and it'll have a little fortune inside. Or you could just draw eyes and mouth inside it, and little monster guy. Bye. Oh, and be sure to like and subscribe.